Hi everyone, this is Panos, co-founder and CEO of LearnWorlds. Ever since we founded LearnWorlds back in 2014, we've helped thousands upon thousands of aspiring course creators to launch their online courses. Professional trainers, authors, coaches, influencers, you name it. The common challenge that almost everyone faces, regardless of how experienced you may be as a trainer or how great your content is how to market and sell more of your online courses. Perhaps you're just starting out and testing the waters, or you have launched a course in the past but didn't have quite the success your content deserves. It's 2021, the future of learning is online, so now is the time to make it. In this bootcamp, we will show you step by step how to just launch and sell your online course. We've learned from our top customers and some of the best course sellers and marketers in the world, and we are sharing everything we know. Join the Just Launch It Bootcamp to successfully launch your online course in 5 days. We will give you a complete framework to base your marketing strategy, a ready-to-start email sequence, and daily check-in webinars with actionable advice and Q&A days. Let's just launch it.